think I don't bash my head on that pillar? Is that? I can't see.
I promise you won't.
I feel like I'm gonna get concrete panda cake. Oh gosh. Dang! Dang! Oh! Welcome back to Shift, guys. So what was actually in that box is I went ahead and bought carbon fenders.
Wow! Beautiful!
From Seibon Carbon. I actually got it from fastmods.com. It takes a little bit longer to ship, but it was actually a couple $100 cheaper, so definitely look them up. They're a great company. They answered super quick to any of my emails. Thank you, Fast Mods, if you guys are watching this. I appreciate it. I'm super excited to put these on. All right, first step, pop your hood open, prop it up. If you didn't know this is a helpful tip right here. Take this out and put it in this hole right here by your coilovers or your struts. Now,
6.5 hours later.
Now your hood stays open wider. It's easy to work on. This is like 8 or 10 mil bolts. I had them replaced by this cheap little like engine dress up stuff that my buddy gave me. You know, they're all rusted out. But take off these 3, the 1, 2, and 3. The side skirts that I have on here, I'm not going to be able to run them because of this problem. Excuse me, Bella. Because of this right here, it overlaps the fender, and I'm going to take those off. The front, no, I don't need to take that off. So just this right here. I got to take this off. I got to move the wheel outward. You'll have some plastic clips in here. If you don't have any side skirts, you'll just pop those out. That's what 30-pound wheels do.
Your powers are weak, old man.
I have them.
You're very great help.
You don't have to thank me.
I had to take the side skirt off. I'm gonna clean these up and sell them. I can't run that because I don't want to have to put screws in the carbon fender. Took the wheel off, got the last 3 screws out. There's my 10 man. It's a little dirty. All right, next vendetta here. These little plastic clips right here. So mine might be missing some, yours may not, but there's a couple of plastic clips here. You just got to get them out, and that detaches the fender from the wheel well liner. There's another bolt under here and stuff, but we'll get to that in just a second. These plastic clips, I had to break off the heads. They were not coming out. Wow, I went out the other way. That's crazy. Do yourself a favor, go to AutoZone. It's like 20 bucks. It's a whole bunch of push pins, plastic clips for Toyota. Just get one. That's a lifesaver. So you ain't got to be careful about breaking them. Just pull them out, put the new one in, good to go. With these 3 done, oh, nice. Apparently, I got a bird's nest behind here. Dang, dude. It just keeps going.
What?
All right, so now those are out. There is a bolt under here that I will show you, along with a plastic clip, and that will completely remove the fender liner from the actual fender itself. We got a couple bolts. One's back behind here. 1 or 2 of them are in the door. We'll get to those when we get to those. There is, if you look under here, there is one under here. I guess I don't have one. There is this bolt as well that you need to get. Kind of had to clean around the head and force the 10 mil socket onto it. I had to take it very, very slow, so I wasn't recording. I was really trying to focus, but there was so much caked around it, but we got it. Nonetheless, it's out. There is a bolt back here. It's kind of hard to see. I'm not gonna be able to really show you on camera. Like right where my finger's at, it's right there. So guide yourself as you will. And this is gonna take forever.
3, 2, 1.
That tiny bolt out. That's again right behind here. And there was one. It's kind of hard to show you as well. We're in low light, not the greatest lighting. This other bolt's right here. Literally right where my finger's at. Same thing. Guide yourself as you will.
Oh.
No, it's okay. It's good. It's good. All right. So this last bolt is super easy. Right here. We're gonna take it out and we're gonna put on carbon fender.
Action.
I can't believe you said that you want action. I'm not a movie star. Not
To me,
really
you
a
are.
YouTube star. Yeah, I guess.
With your almost 200 subscribers.
I know. I'm almost there. Please, I'm like 4 away.
Do I record? Do I not?
What? Hold on. What? I completely forgot a bolt.
Dun dun dun.
Take your front bumper off. There's a bolt right behind here. Yeah, I forgot. My bad. Don't kill me.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
The last bolt is actually directly behind, like right here. You can kind of see I kind of open it. It's this bolt right here. Don't take that one out. Take this one out. Okay, third time's the charm, I guess. So that one I told you not to take off, I guess take off. I don't know. I'm sweating. I'm done. I think it's okay. What? What's holding it on? Bruh. I'm so fed up with this thing right now.
Keep recording or no?
Yeah, I don't even know what to say at this point.
You gotta scratch that headlight protection.
Just to recap, because I know I'm all over the place, there is 2 behind this bumper. Like 1, 2. There's 1 behind here, right? 1 up here. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 behind this door. 3 clips for your plastic wheel liner. 2 under here. Should be good. I know I'm confusing. Should be it. Now I should be able to get this out of here. This is like really scary. I'm gonna try not to mess my paint up. Get off of that. Oh, that's it.
Finally, inner peace.
There's the fender. It's off. Oh, now we gotta take this piece off too, which is these little plastic clips back here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Finally got the E6 logo off. Be very careful on these. Just kind of tap them out. It barely started, but it started. Oh, it's so beautiful. Here's the fun part. Damn, I'm so scared. Easy motions. Easy motions. Very easy motions. After hours, 4 hours of fighting with this thing, I got it on. Couple issues I had with it. The 2 holes behind here, the 2 screws you take out, the bumper bracket I had to end up drilling out a little bit bigger. Second, it doesn't click in place. So I gotta figure something out for it. So follow the same process as when I pulled it off. The screws, not every screw went back in because one, the jack points under there, I actually had to bend the metal. Been a nightmare. But follow the same process, put the screws back in place, get everything set, and it's the same process of disassembly, just reverse. So I'm gonna do the other one. I'm not gonna record because it looks like the jack points are messed up under there too, so I can only wonder what problems I'm gonna incur.
Today, today, Junior.
Anyways, I'm done. I'm going to shower.
You clocking out?
I'm hot. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, do it all, please. It's been brutal. I'm done fighting with this, so thanks guys. See you next time.